Maraming salamat po sa lahat na nandito. Thank you guys so much for joining us. And thank you dahil na-miss ko po ang Sunlight family ko. And I'm happy right now.
Ayan, kinilig po ang lahat. All of that. Okay, so, eto na. We're actually putting you on the spot, Donnie, this afternoon with a simple and very important question. What's the first step? Diba? I think very important. Simple lang, but very important. And at the same time, parang, ano nga ba? What's the first step, diba? Oh,
What's the first step? Am I gonna answer or do you have
okay,
more?
meron tayong,
meron pa?
tayo. Yes, but
Okay.
wait, there's more.
Okay.
Ayan, so, ang gagawin natin is, we'll give you a life goal, and you tell us the very first step someone should take to get started so they can achieve that goal. Ayan, ready ka na? Game agad.
Ready.
Game, ready agad siya.
First step.
First step. Okay, so umpisahan na natin to with the first goal, which is join my first pickleball tournament. Ang dami may goal nito.
Join my
Parang
first
ito, goal ko
pickleball. Ang
rin
dami
to in
nito.
life.
Sino nagpe-pickleball dito? Konti lang. Uy, bago yun ah.
Parang
Dami
goal nila. I think
nagpe-pickleball.
goal nila.
Oo, goal nila kayo.
Okay.
If that is your goal, the first step would be texting your friends to play.
Ay, totoo. Kailangan natin
Diba?
yung support
Kailangan
system.
casual muna. Kasi, huwag muna yung bibili ka na ng racket, tapos sapatos, tapos lahat. Paano kung hindi mo gusto yung pickleball, diba? Hindi mo alam. So, just show up with your friends, play casually, and see what happens from there.
That's true. Kailangan din natin ng support system sa mga ganyan, diba?
Yes, kailangan. Oo.
Okay. Ito naman. Next goal. Start my own business or passion project. I think you can relate to this.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm actually there right now. One of my baby projects. But the first step I did was call one of my mentors to ask for his advice. And then call or contact a team you trust. Kasi sobrang importante yun eh. Because you can do what business you want, but if it's not with the right team, it's never gonna turn out right. So these are the people you're gonna journey with, the people that you'll go through ups and downs with. And syempre gusto mo yung mga taong may trust ka, and syempre may taong na lahat kayo aligned sa gustong mangyari dun sa business na yun.
Yes, di ba parang we love being independent, right?
Yeah.
But sometimes it's okay to admit that we need people to, to help us and support
Yeah, of
us.
course. Yes, and to tell you the truth, even if it hurts sometimes.
That is so true. That is so true. Okay, ito, goal number 3 naman. Travel, ito marami rin may goal nito. Travel to my dream destination.
The first step would be, well, check your finances first, of course. But if everything is set, schedule mo.
Yes.
Plan mo yung schedule mo.
Totoo.
Kasi may mga times of the year na hindi okay pumunta doon siguro. Do your research kung ano yung mga pwedeng gawin doon and who you want to bring. And usually me kasi, I do both eh. I either want to set a place na I'll travel alone or I'll travel with people that, I want to spend time with. So, depende. Kasi, masarap din minsan mag-solo travel ah.
Have you tried?
I have before. And it's a different kind of fulfillment. Kasi parang you get to learn more about yourself. Siyempre, nandun na yung different cultures. Pero yung mas makilala mo yung sarili mo na walang tao sa paligid mo. Parang ibang klaseng satisfaction din.
What kind of a traveler are you ba doon? Are you the type na you're planning ahead talaga? Or sometimes there are moments na may mood ka na, book na ako ng flight agad?
Ako ganun minsan. There are moments, mas gusto ko nga yun yung spontaneous. Yung wala akong dalang backpack. Actually, backpack lang siguro. Or maliit.
Grabe naman
Kung may luggage ako, walang laman. Kasi hindi ko alam kung anong mangyayari. Mas gusto ko yung mga ganong situation. So, I've done that before na I'd go to a different country and I'd plan it like 2 days before. Tapos kung anong mangyayari, yun yung mangyayari. And I think that's something that relates with what we're talking about now. Is not being afraid to just take the first step, to just show up. Sometimes you don't need to have all the answers. You don't need to have everything lined up because in life, hindi naman ganun yun eh. Lahat okay, lahat perfect. Hindi naman ganun, di ba?
True.
So you have to, go there with a mindset na, okay, ito ready ako, ito yung gusto kong gawin. Pero at the end of the day, you have to trust the process also.
Parang it's a different kind of feeling when you achieve all of that after, na parang you'll
Yeah.
realize, I did it pala.
Yeah. Exactly.
Okay, and next naman, ito. Finish my first marathon. Napatigil ka na. Parang napaisip ka na.
Hindi pa ako nag-marathon eh. Grabe yun.
Oo, iba ang
klase
training,
category.
no?
Yung sister ko si Hannah, naka-marathon na. Yung parents ko, ilan na ba? Naka-15?
Wow!
So, from experience, the first step is to get a coach. Or go to a training na parang club. Or just, if it's your first marathon, if you've never ran in your life, I wouldn't suggest a marathon. Siyempre, I'd suggest 1K
Or a running,
muna,
ah.
2K muna, 3K. Get your body checked first kasi baka hindi rin comparable yung ganong klaseng distance kasi it takes a lot. And it's not healthy if didiretso ka sa marathon, di ba? So, step by step, start with small kilometers, small distances, short distances, and do it with a fun group, you know?
That's true.
Yeah.
Again, people with the people that we actually enjoy being with.
Yeah, or even
Of course.
complete strangers. Ang daming run clubs ngayon, 'di ba?
Sobra.
Sobrang naging popular yung run clubs and yung mga hangouts na yun during the pandemic or during or after the pandemic because for some reason, in a good way, people got more health conscious, I feel. And they really wanted to take care of their bodies and think about what's gonna happen when I'm 40, 50, 60, 70 years old. Will I thank myself for doing these things? So, I think mas nagiging mindset ng tao yun ngayon.
True. And baka tayo, hindi naman talaga ako. Parang lahat tayo parang fitness
Tayo pa
era.
rin.
Tayo
Tayo
pa
pa
din.
rin.
Sige. Parang lahat tayo parang fitness era, di ba?
Yes, fitness era ngayon. Oh.
Okay. So ito, ang next goal naman natin is buy my first home. Yes.
First step to buying my first home. As in, na-set na lahat, my finances ka na and everything.
Yeah. Kahit wala
Kung wala
pa. Like,
pa?
parang goal mo pa lang talaga na.
Goal
I
mo?
wanted, yes.
Ako, write it down. Write it down and put it in places in your life na makikita mo. Like, for example, your wallpaper in your house. Waking up, ito yung goal ko. When you're starting a project, ito yung goal ko. Ako, I do that eh.
Yes.
I write down certain goals and hindi mo alam na naisip mo subconsciously. Pero nandun eh.
Yeah.
Like, at the start of the year, I actually have this notebook full of goals. And then I forget about it, I just hide it. And then when December comes, yung end of December talaga, or the next year actually, Jan 1, that's when I check. And I see which ones I actually did. And you'll be surprised the power of writing it down is really, really big because your body wants to function in achieving that goal. So I think if something as big as buying your house in a specific area is your goal, write it down and remind yourself that that's your goal. And just do the steps to get there, diba? If it's saving a specific amount, if it's
Finances,
researching, yes, of course. Researching also where you want to spend your life in the future. Kasi now, there's a lot of people also moving to the south, to the north, to the east.
So true.
So where you envision maybe starting a family, I don't know, I think if you want to buy a new home, you also want to think about what you want to do in that home. If you're the type of person who wants to go cycling, go swimming, spend time beside a church, I don't know, it depends eh. Kasi iba-iba yung wants and needs natin. So, siguro yung lifestyle mo,
Yeah. You surround
yun
yourself
yung
with it,
parang
yes.
magiging surroundings ng home na yun. Yeah. Just keep those goals in mind.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow, palakpakan naman po natin si Donnie, di ba? Parang I realized lang na parang no matter how big the goal is, parang you really have to take that step. You really have to begin and start small.
Yeah, 100%. You know, one of my mentors, si Doc Dennis Impebway, I actually joined one of his courses and there's one thing that stuck to me that he said that actually relates with today. He said when you get into a car and you go to a specific destination, you don't go there thinking that all stoplights will be green. So, like for example, nasa Makati ka, di ba daming stoplight or sa BGC. So, sasakay ka ng kotse knowing na may magiging red lights.
Yes.
But the fact that you started walking to the car, the fact that you entered the car, the fact that you chose to go to this destination, alam mo that there will be obstacles along the way or there will be stop signs.
Yeah.
But that doesn't mean you won't end up in the destination you're supposed to be in. So that's just how it is in life and starting without knowing what's gonna happen, diba? Sometimes you just have to do it and learn along the way. Of course, you have to plan. I'm not saying don't be prepared. You have to also do your own thing. You have to make sure that you show up, make sure that you do the work. But nothing in life is guaranteed, diba? 100%.
Yes.
So just showing up and being there. Actually, I like what they said in the panel before this. I agree. Just start, because if it fails, then at least it teaches you something. And if it doesn't, if it keeps going, then that's also another lesson, diba? This thing works for this specific time. So yeah, it's really important that in this day and age, when wanting to be perfect is such a big thing, or overthinking about, ito kasi yung tao na yan, may ganyan, so kailangan ganyan din ako, or parang kino-consider mo na yung mga achievements ng iba bago yung sa sarili mo.
Yeah.
Nag-overthink ka na kasi baka yung bagay na ito hindi magiging successful. All of those things contribute to why you're not able to start in the first place. But if you just put that aside and just say, hey, I'm gonna take a leap of faith, and let's see what happens. You'll be surprised about what can happen, what the outcome can be of that.
Yeah, sobrang important nun, taking that first step, taking that leap of faith. Because, sometimes it might get risky, it might be tricky, but parang for sure naman, mapupunta ka sa destination na yon on your right pace also. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much. Ayan, Donnie Pangilinan, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so ngayon, punta naman tayo dito, Donnie. Ayan.
Tatay tayo dyan.
May next segment tayo.
Ano ba?